make ponzu, which is a Japanese citrus-based sauce served cold. It is very popular with appetizers such as hamachi kamayaki, deep-fried soft-shell crabs, among others. To make this sauce, we need 3 simple ingredients: sunomono base, which you can find the recipe for elsewhere on our site, soy sauce, and yuzu juice. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus fruit similar to lemon. In many cases, you can replace the yuzu juice with lemon juice. To make the sauce, all we're going to do is combine all of the 3 ingredients into a sauce bottle for easy use later. After combining all the ingredients, we'll go ahead and put the lid on and give a light shake to make sure all the ingredients are evenly mixed.